Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will learn how to write an essay on National Voters Day in English. Let's see its headings first. Preface, History of National Voters Day, Objective of celebrating National Voters Day, Importance of National Voters Day, Celebration of National Voters Day, Theme of National Voters Day 2022 and Epilogue. Let's start our essay with a famous quote by Abraham Lincoln to make it more impressive. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. Abraham Lincoln. Preface. India is a democratic republic. Voting right in a democracy like India is huge responsibility which every citizen must respect and should cast vote in favor of suitable candidate in the election. National Voters Day in India is celebrated every year on 25 January to encourage citizens to vote. This day is important for every Indian citizen. Our next heading is History of National Voters Day. The Election Commission of India came into existence on 25th January 1950. The ECI, Election Commission of India, first celebrates National Voters Day on 25th January 2011 for making awareness in youth voters about the electoral process. Citizens who are meeting the eligible criteria to become a voter can register for obtaining voter ID card. It is important to mention here that those who have attained 18 years of age can enroll for voter ID card. Objective of celebrating National Voters Day. The objective of National Voters Day is to ensure maximum participation of citizens in voting so that voters can choose a representative of a hard-working and clean image. For this, it is necessary to make citizens aware about voting. Indian democracy holds a strong position in the world. After this, we will write a short slogan. Our slogan is "One vote can rock the boat." In this, both the cooperation of the voters and the Election Commission of India have an important contribution. It is only because of the Election Commission that fair elections are possible in the country. Our next heading is Importance of National Voters Day. National Voters Day is celebrated every year to remind the citizens of India of their duty towards their nation. Organizing National Voters Day also tells people that it is necessary for every person to vote. Voting right is an important right in any democracy. Every citizen has right to vote and everyone who is eligible must vote. Every vote matters. Hence, it is moral responsibility of the government, Election Commission of India and every educated citizen to make awareness about voting and its importance. Here we will write a slogan again. Our slogan is "No voter to be left behind, make every opinion count." Next, celebration of National Voters Day. Every year on 25 January, National Voters Day, the Election Commission of India organizes a function in New Delhi where various dignitaries including the President of India, law ministers and media persons are invited on the occasion. During the program, cultural programs like welcome speech, drama, various competitions, folk dance, etc. are organized. Different themes are kept every year to make this occasion special. Theme of National Voters Day 2022. In order to boost the electoral process among the new young voters, the theme of this year, that is National Voters Day 2022, is Electoral Literacy for Strong Democracy. At last, we will write epilogue. Therefore, we can conclude that on the day of National Voters Day, every voter of the country should take a pledge to strengthen democracy through their active participation. We urge everyone to make the objective of this day a success and build a better nation with your active participation in Indian politics. We all should vote only thinking about the development of the country by rising above communalism and casteism. Remember, we will change, the country will change. So friends, in this way you can write an impressive essay on this topic. Hope this will helpful for you. For PDF of this essay, you can subscribe our channel Shanda Study on Telegram. Thanks for watching.